You're watching How Leap. Let's turn on or off Instagram story comments. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. Tap How others can interact with you, then Messages and Story Replies. Here, tap Story Replies. You will see three options. Tap Allow Replies from to open the menu. Choose Everyone to allow comments from all viewers. Choose People you follow to limit comments to your followers that you also follow back. Choose Off to completely disable all comments on your stories. Your selection applies to all future stories. To change it for a single story, create the story, tap the settings sticker before sharing, and adjust the allow replies from option just for that story. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.